Hello, today we will guide you through how to export source code files from Lovable.dev. To begin, open Lovable and go to the main dashboard, which is the home area where your available projects are listed. This is the starting point for accessing any project you want to work with. If you are not already on the dashboard, make sure you navigate there first so you can see the full list of project options clearly. Once you are on the dashboard, select the Sample Projects section and open the project you want to export. This step is important because the export option is available from within a specific project, not from the dashboard itself. Take a moment here to confirm you are choosing the correct sample project before moving forward, especially if you have multiple items visible in your workspace. After the project opens, look toward the top area of the screen for the code icon, shown as the angle bracket symbol. Click that icon to switch into the code view. This area gives you access to the project's source code files and is where you can prepare to download them. If you do not immediately see the code panel appear, give the page a second to load fully before continuing. Once you are in the code view, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the download option. This will begin the process of exporting the source code files from the project. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be prompted to choose where to save it on your device. If prompted, choose a location that is easy to remember so you can quickly find the exported files afterward. After the download starts, it is a good idea to wait for the transfer to finish completely before closing the tab or navigating away. If the project files are downloaded as a compressed folder, you may need to extract them before reviewing or editing the contents. Keeping your exported files organized in a dedicated folder can also make future updates and backups much easier. That's all it takes to export source code files from Lovable.dev. By going to the dashboard, opening a sample project, switching to the code view, and clicking download, you can save the project files to your computer in just a few moments.